갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are we doing? It's another beautiful day. Hope we are doing fine and keeping safe as well. If it's your first time of seeing this face, more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment and share my video. Just consider that they're not charging you. You will not pay. Just click on that red button you saw there. Just click on it and turn off the notification bell in case if I post in a video, you will be the first person to be notified. This is the second part of my last video I posted, and it's 5 common mistakes we do. 5 common mistakes we do while choosing a partner. Yeah. If you have not seen the first part of it, I will drop the link at the description box. Just go and watch it, then you continue from this. 5 common mistakes we do while choosing a partner. In my last video, I talked about not as if we don't know the man's character or his shortcomings, but we do, just that we decided to go on with the marriage, believing that we are going to change him. And I keep telling us that change is not referred to a human being. What is referred to a human being is adjustment. If the person is willing, that is the answer. If the person is willing to adjust, he or she will adjust. But in a sense that the person is not willing to adjust, there's nothing you can do about it. And I keep saying, if the marriage is not life-threatening, is not an abusive one, is not a violent one, work it out. The second part of it is acceptance. Somebody will be like, what is acceptance got to do with this? I'm going to explain to you. Accepting our partner the way he or she is. Do you know why I say so? This time around, we young girls who've made our boyfriend our husband, and make our husband our boyfriend. Maybe when we look at him, we will be like, he's not man enough. He cannot take care of me. He cannot do this. He cannot do that. Not knowing that this is who God has destined for you. And in the nearest future, he might be that kind of person you want him to be. God will bless him immensely that he will have enough to take care of you. But because at that point in time, he has nothing, you degraded him, you did not accept him. You look down on him, you are like, who is this one? This one cannot take care of me. That is what I mean by we using our boyfriend as our husband and our husband as our boyfriend. Because you refused to accept the real person that's supposed to be in your life. Just because of the material things, just because of the things you were seeing. You wanted to live a luxury life. You wanted to live a big life. Because the main person that God destined for you, maybe he doesn't have anything to offer to you. Just because you wanted the best that life can offer, you settled down for the one you feel that will take care of you. And he now turned you into a punching bag. Any little thing, sure, you want to enjoy life, you want to enjoy luxury, you want to enjoy nice things. Any little thing you do, bye. The most important thing when it comes to relationship is peace of mind, not even money. Yes, money is the secondary part of it. We all need money to live a good life, but not at the detriment of your happiness. Just because he doesn't have, or he's not, he has not made it the way you wanted, forgetting that tomorrow is pregnant, and you decided to forget about him and move on with the moving train, with the one you feel that he is capable, he is very, very okay, and he will turn you to punching bag. He will punch you very well. You say you want to come and eat money, come and enjoy the money. I keep saying it. If it's not life-threatening, if your life is not at stake, nothing is happening until work it out. Because now you choose them for yourself. Work it out. Yes. Work it out. Deal with it. Deal with it. Enjoy the money and enjoy the beating. That is it. And enjoy the stress, the pain, and all that comes out of it. Because you don't want a peaceful home. What you wanted is the material things, the things you can get. That is what we girls of nowadays, let me just use girls of nowadays, they are moved by what they see. They will first of all ask you, the man get cash, the man get money, the root of all evil. Money is good, I'm not disputing that, but money is not everything when it comes to marriage. Some people have that money, but they don't have peace. What matters in life is peace. I keep saying it. What matters in life is peace. Not the amount of money you have, not the amount of things you have acquired. But if you have peace, you are at rest. So I keep telling young girls, try to accept somebody. Don't look down on anybody because you don't know what the future will bring for that person. That is why I use that word, acceptance. Accept the guy. Be willing to work it out with him. At the end, you will be the one to reap. You know, some girls these days, they reap where they do not sow. They will be standing in a fire looking at the guy. Immediately, they see that the guy has made it. They will come and be dragging. It's my own. It's my own. It's not your own because you were not in his life during his trying time. So that woman that is in his life during his trying time is the real owner. That is acceptance. Accept a man the way he is. Work it out with him. Work it out with him. Be there for him. Men, let me tell you one thing. Men, they really appreciate who is there for them. I know we have the rubbish ones that don't remember the past, that don't remember how you work it out with them, that don't remember anything, but they just decided to be moving ahead. We have some men that are like that. I don't blame women when they say, I don't want to work it out with any man. I don't blame them when they say so, because some men are, oh my God, some men are terrible. Very, very terrible. They easily forget. But we still have the good ones. That when you work out things with them, they will never forget you. They will be there for you. So guys, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of seeing this Chikala, this Mama V Unique in the Zambuilding, please guys consider to subscribe. And I just want to appreciate my old and returning subscribers. You guys are the best, the number one, the champion. Please tell somebody, somebody will tell somebody. Just keep spreading the good news. There's something happening here. Just consider to click on that subscribe button, subscribe and on the notification. Anytime I posted a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao.